Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to this new update on Solana. It's been a while since I covered Solana. I tried to cover it every other day, every 2 days, every 3 days, but yeah, I mean, it was yesterday I didn't upload at all, so it's been a while. Also did not do an update Saturday, so here I am. We're going to cover Solana, we're going to be talking about it. We're going to be talking about it on a fundamental level, but also on a technical level, so hopefully it's covering everything you want and you need to know. So let's get right into it. First of all, if you take a look at Solana right now, you can see that the volume is doing fairly well. It's up about 73%, up to 600 million, which compared to the market cap is great. Compared to the volume last month, it's perhaps a little bit low still, as you can see. But yeah, Solana has been, let's be honest, it has been quite boring for the last month. We've just been consolidating in this consolidation area. Which I quietly hit right here because I didn't want it on the thumbnail. But kind of in this level, we've been consolidating with Solana, right? And together with that, if you take a look at Solana on a more fundamental level, oh, this is Luna Classic, excuse me. What you can also see is that fundamentally, Solana has also been quiet. The total value locked basically ever since the high we had the 26th of January, around that, so the weeks before and the weeks after, we've been relatively flat. Daily fees have gone up. I guess that's great for the Solana Foundation, but the transactions have been stable and daily active addresses have actually even dropped down a little bit. So yeah, it's Solana as it's still doing better, I think, than what the valuation is, and I think it deserves a little bit more of upside, a little bit more of recovery after everything that happened with FTX, of course, but yeah, it's also a little bit quiet at this point in time. So that's the fundamental outlook of Solana. The market itself right now is still bullish, even though we received some bearish momentum yesterday. But yeah, that's just what it is. And as I said, Solana has been really stuck in this consolidation. And what I then also expect right now, you could argue that we are at a fairly important point, because we're at this trend line. Here you can see we're still holding that actually. And I agree that that's an important level, but I don't think that's that important or like existentially important, because I already think that we have confirmed that we're in consolidation. The EMAs are practically floating within the price. They're practically flat. We're also starting to do that with the 100 EMA. So the 200 EMA is coming up. That could maybe change things, but for now, what I expect is that we will find some support at the trend line, but that will just take a break retest of $24, and that will start to drop down towards 22.5 and $22, which is our main support level. It's the lower bound of the consolidation, and I think that will hold. I do not expect a bearish breakout, and well, the only way in which we could have a massive bearish breakout, I think, is if Bitcoin has a massive bearish breakout as well, and that's not something I expect in the next week. Could happen next week with the inflation rate, but then even then it's unlikely. So I think we'll drop down to that $22.5 level. From there, start to move up a little bit more towards 24.5. And I think we'll move up to that upper bound of the consolidation as well, between $24.5 and $25. Now, breaking above that is going to be tough. All right, I think breaking above that, what we would need is either, and I'm going to be 100% honest with you, what we like moves like these with Solana, we're quite manipulated. We need either that or we need a lower than expected inflation rate next week. That way we can actually break above $25, get up to $27 again, and start to talk about going up to that holy level between 28.5 and $30. But for now, that's too early, and it's really yeah. I think we'll move up a little bit from here. From there, drop down to 22.5. Then from there, start to trend up a little bit more towards the top of the consolidation. So yeah, that's my take on Solana for now, for today, and also for tomorrow. For just I'll be back with another update probably Wednesday then. But for now, this is my take on Solana. So if you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.